Hey, what's going on, guys? We're here today in Waterford. Today we got a gentleman that's trying to get his snow blower ready. It's an attachment, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some stitch welds. We're going to be staggering them, so small 1-inch welds on one side, then we're going to go underneath and stagger them all the way across. Just for reinforcement. I guess a lot of the stress is going to be downward, right?
Well, that's the bottom, so it sits on the ground.
Oh, this is upside down.
This is the leading edge.
So it's going to want to bend this way, right?
Bend that way, that's right. That's
so the
why
welds,
I'm saying the weld is more important on this side.
Underneath, see, so we got some fillet welds to do. We're gonna tack it on this side and then flip it over and get it done with. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we just got finished doing this this snow blower attachment. As you can see, we tacked it on top. We didn't end up welding the back because he's gonna need to change this eventually, so we don't need it that strong. We basically just needed it welded good on the underside over here. Let me see if I can get a better picture. There. Basically almost every 6 inches we did a full weld. Well, like a 1 inch, 2 inch weld. So yeah, this job was pretty straightforward. Gentleman ground it down for me and wire brushed it, so it was a pretty straightforward ordeal. Can't complain. So anyways, if you guys want to see more videos, or if you guys have a better idea of how to do this, let me know in the comments. Thanks.